feel like, we're gonna lose this game.
Hi everyone, we're here outside the Rose Bowl Stadium. We're getting ready for the match between PSG and Botafogo. It's the super match and the fans know it. Are you expecting so many goals?
Like 7-0.
7-0.
Like 3 or 4-1.
3 or 4?
Probably around 4-2. I say 4-2.
You say 4-2?
Yeah.
I feel like, we're gonna lose this game. It's gonna be a pretty tough match, but if we tie, it's a win. If we win, it's gonna be the biggest day of my life. No se compara.
Nice, Morocco.
That's it. Hakimi and PSG is going to beat the shit out of them. All the way.
Of course, Botafogo gonna win.
Botafogo, PSG. Dos de Igor Jesus y uno de Gatito.
Dos de Dembele, uno de Vitinha, uno de Doe y uno de Nuno Mendes.
Ah, bueno, son muchos goles. Ok, vamos a ver qué pasa. And after this surprising victory of Botafogo against PSG, it's time to close the day with a nice hot dog.